Hey guys, so this is a video about what I'm making right now. I'm doing some meal prep. So basically what I'm making right now is taco salad. I pretty much do this and it lasts about 3 days. I get me a taco kit usually, and they have the Taco Bell sauce, and I chop up the hard tacos. I put in there with the meat, but it's ground turkey. So ground turkey, some Taco Bell sauce. Let's get it.
Call me, I'll be right there. I'm the other man, yeah. When you need someone to talk to, you know just what to do. Pick up the phone and call me, baby. I'm the other man. He ain't loving you right. Calling Tyrese is alright. I'ma give you what you're missing.
So guys, as I finish my ground turkey, I got the taco sauce in it. I try to stir this up. So my next step, I'm gonna mix some of the hard tacos, crush these up and make a good healthy taco salad. So I got the kits, I think at Walmart was like $2.98. I got this Taco Bell sauce. Got some ground turkey that was $1.50, and I'm gonna mix that in with the food. I'm gonna chop up 3 of these, and I'm gonna make me a taco salad. So make sure that all your beef is grounded. It's pretty much cooked all the way. Like I said, what I use is the taco season, the Taco Bell season. I'm gonna chop up 3 of these and side of it to make a taco salad. The next step will be adding the salad and getting the finished product of it. Check this out.
I just had to say, oh la la, we should get acquainted like, oh my God, I don't speak your language, but hey mama, I don't need no translation, just come right here and make your body
so now
say, yeah, oh la la, don't know what to say, like a lollipop, yeah, that's how you taste, sweeter than what's in an ice cream truck, you a charm, you give me good luck, really no need to speak too much, oh, but you made me say, don't know your name right now, but that need to change right now, I saw you across the room, and I just had to say,
Here goes the finished product. You got some taco salad. Woo!